Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Tecno Spark Go 2023 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Slide down to power off. Okay, here you can see now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together. Press and hold it. Now release the power key and keep pressing the volume up key. And here you can see no command. Now here press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. So here you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Now volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now here go to wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Here you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Now go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset when ask for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Tecno Spark Go 2023 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.